welcome back to my colorful kitchen. We're making a recipe today that you can eat for breakfast, for a snack, or even for dessert. Basically, anytime you need a pick-me-up. There's only 5 ingredients, so let's get started.
For the crumble, add 8 soaked figs or dates and 200 grams of walnuts to the mixer. Mix until it sticks together and set aside. Using the hand blender, add 100 grams of frozen blueberries. Mix in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Layer the jars with the blueberry mix and the crumble. Lastly, add 1 can of coconut cream that has been in the fridge overnight. Whisk until nice and fluffy. Add on top of the crumble.
This is vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free, but not taste-free. Perfect for any time of the day. Very tasty.